What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade, and in today's video I'm going to talk about OriginTrail. Is it going to be the decentralized Google on Polkadot? Let's find out. But before I jump into the content, just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free. Check it out in the description and pinned in the comments, and let's get started. Welcome back. So in some of our last videos, we talked about some more Polka projects and its impacts on the crypto ecosystem. Today, I am continuing my series of Polka projects, which includes all of the current projects in active development in the Polkadot ecosystem. But today, I want to dive a bit deeper into some really under the radar projects that are very early, but are ambitiously solving some key issues and maybe a massive player in the crypto space very soon. Today, I am going to cover what is OriginTrail, what it aims to achieve, and how you can possibly get in earlier than most people on this very unique project. So what is OriginTrail? The OriginTrail blockchain was created to enable trusted data sharing along supply chain. It allows companies, organizations, and even other blockchains to safely and securely share information in its fully decentralized knowledge graph network. The data in the network is secured through monitoring activities of oracles and artificial intelligence agents. The OriginTrail protocol allows for expiration of data and sensitive data that can be protected through the use of zero-knowledge methods.
You're looking for the secret, but you won't find it. Because of course, you're not really looking.
So how does OriginTrail work? OriginTrail enables data sharing for supply chains in a neutral, decentralized, and open source protocol. The network is comprised of nodes and an off-chain technology stack that was designed to allow the blockchain to interface with legacy software systems and other blockchains. With OriginTrail, companies are able to enjoy trusted data exchange and improve the interoperability of their legacy systems. The protocol is designed to address 3 challenges that all enterprises face when attempting to connect their legacy systems to blockchains. Supply chain data fragmentation. All supply chains have an issue with low data interoperability and with the existence of data silos. These create significant roadblocks when organizations seek to build collaborative applications and when they attempt to establish supply chain transparency. Supply chain data centralization. Data silos lead to centralization, as current methods for removing such silos revolve around aggregating the data in a centralized manner. This has led to concerns regarding the integrity of the data and omitting accountability. Data tampering is also a huge concern whenever data is under centralized control.
I try to show the schemers how pathetic their attempts to control things really are.
Existing decentralized networks cannot support supply chain applications in the transition to decentralization due to shortfalls with, first, data scalability, second, lack of adequate database functionalities, and/or third, not being entirely neutral or permissionless. Sensitive data protection. Companies typically worry about any data sharing compromising their competitive position, meaning they remain very reluctant to share data unless it is required for regulatory reasons or because they are forced to do so. With centralized data exchange, there are no protections for sensitive data, and this stops many companies from creating new business models. So what problem does OriginTrail actually solve? Well, to cut right to the chase, OriginTrail, a European IT company known for its traceability solutions.
Euro trash. I like that. It is indeed a garbage continent.
Developed the first blockchain protocol that is purpose-built for data exchange between organizations along the supply chain. Its mission is to bring decentralized data exchange available to every organization. It enables mass adoption, which will increase trust and efficiencies on a global scale. Let's talk about the OriginTrail tokenomics. 500 million total, non-inflationary, all pre-mined, and distributed during ICO. Markets with liquidity are KuCoin, Uniswap, Bitmart, and Bit4x. The token sale was completed on January 17, 2018, and the ICO price of about 10 cents. The Trace token, or TRAC, is the utility token that drives the entire ODN. It is a pre-mined, non-inflationary token, and only 500 million will ever exist. Fractions of TRAC out to 18 decimal places can and have been used on the network, so supply will never be an issue. This means that the price of a data job, which is paired for a company in fiat, can be relatively stable as the price of TRAC rises due to utility and adoption. For example, a data job in 2020 could cost 50 TRAC for $2 in fiat, while 3 years later it could cost 0.5 TRAC for the same $2. TRAC is an ERC20 token currently, and there are no plans to change blockchains, or is there? So how does this connect to Polkadot? Bringing Google for supply chains to Polkadot. The multi-chain OriginTrail Decentralized Knowledge Graph, or DKG, has been utilized by leading global organizations in production since early 2019. To facilitate the growing demand for the OriginTrail DKG, the OriginTrail community has identified Polkadot as the most advanced and scalable extension to the OriginTrail blockchain layer. Let's talk about Kusama integration. The initial proposal of OT RFC 07 has introduced Starfleet as an independent, substrate-based blockchain with a set of associated services, most notable being the Starfleet bridge to Ethereum. Since the original proposal, several benefits for the direct integration with Polkadot as an OriginTrail dedicated parachain have been identified. Get ready for the OriginTrail parachain. The OriginTrail community is about to integrate the OriginTrail decentralized network with the Polkadot ecosystem by launching the OriginTrail parachain, custom tailored for the functionalities of the OriginTrail Decentralized Knowledge Graph, or DKG. Wrapping this up, OriginTrail is tackling real-world problems in the supply chain system and easing the pain point experienced in transition to blockchain-based solutions. With the global supply chain industry seen as a perfect use case for blockchain, a project like OriginTrail that can create a platform that allows for trust.
I hold myself in contempt! Why should you be any different?
Ease of integration and improved tracking and data storage could take over the industry in the next few years. Will it beat the competition like Morpheus Network? Only time will tell. So what do you guys think? Are you gonna take a second look at accumulating some TRAC or TRAC token? If not, are you gonna try to now that you know it's part of Polkadot's lucrative ecosystem? Let me know in the comments down below, and then go ahead and click right here in the top right corner to watch my video on Morpheus Network, the supply chain crypto video in the top right corner. I will see you guys in that video now. Crypto Renegade out.